7 Dimensions of a Great Dad. Episode 3, Physical. The Strong Dad. Taking care of yourself is taking care of your family. Dads are famous for one thing when it comes to their health: ignoring it. I am fine. I do not need a doctor. I will rest when I am dead. And yet, the strongest thing a dad can do for his family is stay alive, stay healthy, and stay present. Because no one can replace you. No one. Part 1. Your body is a gift to your family. When a dad takes care of his body, exercises, eats well, sleeps properly, goes to his doctor, he is saying to his family, I intend to be here for a long time. That is love in action. Choosing to be healthy is the most underrated Father's Day gift a dad can give. Part 2. The stress a dad carries. Nobody talks about the weight dads carry in their bodies, the jaw that tightens when the bills are due, the shoulders that never fully relax, the sleep that never fully restores. Stress lives in the body. For dads, it accumulates silently. You deserve to heal and restore, not just push through. Part 3. Model health for your children. If they grow up watching you ignore your body, they will ignore theirs. If they grow up watching you prioritize your health, they will prioritize theirs. You are not just building your own wellness. You are building the health culture of your entire family line. To the dad who finally booked that doctor's appointment, to the dad who started walking every morning, to the dad who chose water over soda because his child was watching, take care of yourself, Dad. We need you here. Happy Father's Day.